see who I have with me while recording. You know, videos like this are also like really important because later, years later, I like to look back at these videos and then feel so happy about life. In an otherwise bleak world, when you have a pet like this, it makes life so much worth it. But honestly, that's what rabbits are. They require like effort, yeah, like cleaning their cage and all. But effort as in, I look at it as seva. So that's how it is a good thought. And keeping in mind my book review session, so there's this thing called Chinese astrology and fortune telling by Z.V. Dao Shu and I Ching. I mean, these are Chinese names, but then there's also an Indian name that is given UC Mahajan. So I have to say, yeah, Chinese astrology is so fascinating. Like, as in, the Chinese zodiac is divided into, the year of the rat, the year of the snake, the year of the goat, I think, no, year of the rooster and all, so, and year of the dragon. So it's literally like people born in these years will have characteristics of, like, will have a certain commonality, certain common characteristics. So it is just so fascinating. Like, I'm in the year of the rat, so that is 1984 born. Why did I give my age? I don't know, but yeah. So it's just so they say that if you are born in certain years, like with regard to the year of the rat, this is something that really stood out for me, and that is uh, the rat is a person who can hoard, and they are very industrious, very hardworking, and but at the same time, they would the rat is more dangerous dead than alive. Like, as in, a dead rat can start smelling and all of that. So people who are born on the year of the rat are very you have to keep them in good humor, नहीं तो मरने के बाद भी आपको आके हॉन्ट करेंगे, I mean, that was actually given in this book. I found that so fascinating. So so I think many of the ghosts and paranormal activity belongs to the year of the rat. What am I saying? But really, according to what this Chinese astrology says, that's what it is. Because people who are born in the year of the dragon, my child is like 2012, so they have that dragons are supposed to be the most year of the sun, sun as in the astrological wheel. This guy is so quiet. He's one of the most calmest rabbits I've ever seen. And yeah, there is a year of the rabbit also. And so that's what it's, people who are born in the year of the dragon, that corresponds to the Leo zodiac in our regular astrology. And so they are like the, it's like a king sign, so I'm very grateful. Yeah, at least my child is year of the dragon. And 1988 was also year of the dragon, because the Chinese astrology is a 12-year cycle, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, there's so much in this book that is difficult to speak about it in just like 1 minute, 2 minutes. But yeah, I'll try until I succeed to be able to give an analysis in my video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.